Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report on the Connex 4600 Turbo. This is for Frank right here in Florida. Alright, Frank's got an amplifier switch on the back here. I got it turned off right now. Power all the way down. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, all it out. They say it's like a quarter of a watt. And it swings to like 4 watts. And if I turn it all the way up, we're about a half a watt. Audio. It's about 8 or 9 watts there. Very low power, so that's just talking to people next to you. Turn that switch on, turn this down again. Take a look up here, we got 3 watts. And if I turn it all the way up now, let me change the scale to 100 on the top here. So now we got about 30 watts. And over here, we're gonna have to change that slug. Where's my, here it is. Peak power on this 250 slug is 100 and 150. Alright. Audio. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. Got my mic gain down because of this radio up here. Audio, 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 audio. Go 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. Okay. Check, 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 check. 1, 2.